It's summertime round 09. On the corner real heavy, nigga won't shine. I had this thick red bone on my armpit. Angelina Jolie, nigga, I was Brad Pitt.
What is going on, my party people? Oh man, just got off of work one more day. But as always, I like to welcome all my good people with one great big aloha. Man, I don't have the energy like I normally do. It's Emoneyshoes back in the building. I know y'all already did what you needed to do. I know y'all hit that thumbs up, like, subscribe, share, all of that good stuff. I know you done took care of all of that stuff. So if you haven't, make sure you do so. Tell a family member, friend of a friend, so we can get it in, because we are trying to hit 10K by, we're going to change it. We're going to say Christmas. We're going to try to hit 10K by Thanksgiving. So like I said, spread the word. Welcome my new subscribers, continue subscribers for rocking with me. Trying to bust through that algorithm. Took the day off yesterday, had some things to do. Gotta go get a shade today, looking kind of scruffy. Can't be on the screen looking all toe down from the flow down. Today in sneakers was kind of an interesting day. Kind of like the quiet, well, I can't say quiet before the storm, because today you had early access to the Wolf Grays. You had a restock on the Jordan 4 Black Cats and the Jordan 11 Gamma on JD Sports. I wonder anybody hit on those. I woke up, I tried for the Lux. I think they was 170, the brown shade things, and took a L on those. I was like, oh man, okay, forget it. I think people hitting on their raffles that they put in for your fragments. They also was dropping those Grateful Dead joints, the jerseys and stuff. Pretty dope. I may grab one of those shoes. Oh, not shoes, but one of those shirts, because I already have the shoes, but we shall see. But tomorrow kicks off a busy weekend, right? Tomorrow you got the KD Illusions. You also have the Sport Blue and Red Fragment Unions dropping tomorrow. And you have the Stranger Things foam posits, as well as those chlorophyll or chloroform, whatever it is, Air Force One, the Bruns. Now I might try to go out. I think I never had those KDs before, so definitely gonna go after those. Try to get another pair of those Unions. I'm not sure about the Stranger Things yet, because I already have a pair of that. If you haven't checked out my video, please go do so. Hit that like and leave a comment, and I definitely will get back to you on that. And then the biggest pickup for me this weekend is those Wolf Gray 5 Jordans, right? Never had those in the collection and can't wait to have them, right? Can't wait to have them in the collection, so we shall see. So that's probably my most highly anticipated, like I said, pickup of the week. I have a lot of shoes coming in. I can't wait to share it and do these videos with you. Like I share, like I said, my card, let them know how it goes, through the size, all of that different stuff. So you let me know this week, what were you looking forward to for copying? Because man, I swear, February did some serious damage, bro. Some serious damage. This probably had to be the busiest February ever for the shoe game. All right. Now, if you can remember another year that's been as busy as this for All-Star Weekend or just February, Black History Month in general, let me know, because we can talk about it. Now, again, as always, make sure you go hit up the home team, 6313 Retro Queen, MCFLYKOF. Hit them up on all social platforms. You can also follow us on IG and YouTube under whohastheheat if you're interested in sneaker battles, right? You're interested in the sneaker battle or doing a sneaker battle, we can blog. We do specialty battle, LeBron battle. We did battle royal with a shoe for shoe. We've done tournament style battle. Now, the most current battle we have pending right now will be the Ultimate TOC, which will be the Bro PR323 versus Matt for the win. We don't know if we're going to get to that, but we will get to it soon, right? Soon and very soon. Now, without further ado, let's get into this review. Now, like I said, this is not just a Jordan specific channel. I like to try to review everything. If you want me to review some other shoes, let me know. Hit me up in the comments, or you can hit me up in the DM. I'll try to go grab that shoe and review, because I know the people, like I said, Air Jordans is nice for everyone, so some different things out there. Now this shoe I'm about to touch, I think it took about 3 weeks to get to me, so let's get into it. So without further ado, here's the box. The baklava. You don't know what baklava is? You should know. That is an Action Bronson. Now Action Bronson New Balance 1890. The year 1890. Yeah, I thought you got 19. What you got? 1906, 998. You got the, what is that? What else you got? 990. You got what else is 9060s? It's just like you got so much crazy New Balance numbers out there. It is nuts. So these again are the Action Bronson X New Balance 1890, size 10.5. And then like I said, I varied shoes, so I just took a chance at 10.5. I don't know how these gonna fit. As you can see, nice sturdy box. And the cover comes like this. Kind of got, you see the indentation, baklava there. You got your baklava, Mr. Lava Lava. Okay, pretty interesting stuff there, Mr. Baklava. And then you open it up here, and you have the Action Bronson 1890, 1940 into the 3000s or whatever that is. So pretty good in there. Pretty good little paper slipper there. These things wrapped up like sandwiches, but they are in here. And on the wheels of steel, bang, bang. These are the, I think the Tusk. The New Balance Tusk is what we are calling these, all right? So check it out, very, very dope shoe. Nice and colorful, New Balance. Normally the higher the number, the more comfortable the shoe. I think you got 5 feet, I think you even got 300 of it. We're gonna talk about this 1890, right? You see that big fat 1890 right there on the tongue. And you can see a lot of little stuff going on. You got some nice little leather on here. You got a lot of like a nylon material for breathability. You got some interesting rope laces. This kind of laces like we used to see in our church shoes back in the day. You have these little interesting laces. You have the baklava New Balance 1890. I probably could have went true to size, but normally New Balance don't go big. So you got here, then you're coming up on the side. You got to absorb. It's the absorb traction pattern here on the side, where the technology is what's in the shoe on the side. Then you see you got this nice, I don't know if it's suede, maybe fade, but it's I said 1890 on the side. And I think these colors pop on the Tusk. I think you had another one released, was called the Cyborg or something like that. You come around on the medium side, you got that big end for New Balance. So definitely should be a shoe that I can run and walk in all day. You see that absorb technology coming through the outsole of the shoe. It almost looks like these glow in the dark, but I didn't read up on it. They might glow in the dark because of this color, but who knows? I'll have to check and verify. If anybody in the comments have a pair of these, let me know. See, that's what I get, just grabbing the shoe and then you verify. Now this got a nice little shoe tree inside, all nice up, all right, wrapped up nice and lovely. And then you got the, let me see how this smells. This smells like a new shoe, not bad, but it's definitely light compared to those Victor Solomon that I just dropped. Make sure y'all go check that video out. But these are much lighter than that. You see inside, baklava, production date. Let me see, let's see. All right, who knows, who cares? It is what it is. But, like I said, a very, very nice shoe, because you got a lot of holes, perforated holes in here for breathability. Alright. Now we go on the other side of the shoe. See if there's anything that's different about the shoe outside of the tag that's hanging out on this shoe. So it should be like so. It'll absorb it the same. Nothing. Then you got that New Balance in the back looks reflective. But both of these should be reflective. This part here and here is reflective. You don't have to worry about your sock bunnies in here because it's a dark color. You already know if it was white, you would have to wear some white shoes, white socks, right? Because you don't want to have the black socks in there. You need to be getting all your little sock bunnies all over the place. But I really like these shoes. I probably will wear these sooner rather than later because of a lifestyle or a comfort shoe. So you're good at walking, good at running. I don't know how much running I'm gonna probably be doing, but you get my drill. So with that being said, on the price, $200, maybe $175, New Balance. But again, the higher the number, normally the more they cost. I think the 998, they about $230, $240, somewhere around there. Those have been tested to the trust of time, right? So a test of time, not trust of time. I'm just messing up all over the place. But then the design, let's go back up again. Let's see for the price. I give it about a 4.5 out of 5. You guys let me know what you think on that. Now, far as the overall design of the shoe, can't complain. I give it a 5 out of 5. And then of course, you already know what time it is. New Balance never disappoints when you want to talk about comfort level. So on this one, I think you can go true to size. I did go 10.5 because I always like a little extra room in my shoe. I don't like my shoes fitting all snug. But on this, you can go true to size. So other than that, family, that's all I have. Hit that again, hit that thumbs up, like, subscribe, share. As we on our way to 10K. And to the next one, I'm out. Peace.